Good day everyone, this is Born in Batanes once again. Today we are going to make potato bread in a pan. So as usual, the recipe will be written on the description box below. First, we're going to make our dough. So we're just going to mix our flour. I'm using bread flour, a pinch of salt, milk, and melted butter. We're just going to mix everything in a bowl, and then we are going to knead it until it is elastic. And then once we're done kneading our bread dough, we're going to wrap it in a cling wrap and put it in a fridge to rest for about an hour. And you can make your bread dough ahead of time and just leave it in a fridge until you need it. So once you're ready to make your bread, you're going to boil potato. I'm using russet potato. The starchy potato is better. And mix it with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can use any brand. And then we're just going to mash it until there are no lumps. And then we're going to wrap it in a cling wrap so that it doesn't dry up. And then we're just going to set it aside. And then we're going to take out our bread dough in the fridge, and we're going to roll it out for about 8.5-inch circle. So try not to make it too thin, because otherwise it will tear up on you, because we're going to roll it out again later after we put the filling inside. So once you're happy with the size of your bread dough, we're going to assemble our potato bread. So I'm using mozzarella cheese. I use sliced mozzarella and the grated mozzarella cheese. You can use grated, but since I don't have enough, so I'm using the slice one. And then we're going to put our mashed potato in the middle of our bread dough. So I'm just going to flatten it to put in the middle, and then we're going to put more cheese, and then we're going to close and seal it up inside our bread dough. So try to seal it, and as much as possible, as much as you can, don't leave a hole in the middle, because we're going to roll it up again to flatten it up a little bit before we are going to actually cook it. So while I'm doing this, I am warming up my pan at the same time, so that it's ready once I'm done with the potato bread. So I'm rolling it out from the middle outward gently, so as not to tear the bread dough. And then I'm just going to brush melted butter on the pan, and then we're going to slowly and gently put it in the pan and cook it for a few minutes until you see that it is golden brown at the bottom. Before flipping, I brush a little bit of melted butter again, and then we're just going to cook it for a few minutes, and then we're done. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching and that I shared something interesting. I hope that you'll try this at home, and if you do try, please let me know how it goes. And if you have any question, please leave a comment on the comment section below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Once again, thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.